have it on credible grounds that our main opponent in this election, the All Progressive Congress Party, is currently mounting pressure in attempts to have their way in securing 25% in Imo State and the Ebonyi State in particular. It is on the merits of this intelligence that we are calling on the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to apply all necessary precautions before announcing procured results in the presidential election from these two states in particular. Our presidential candidate had yesterday urged the INEC chairman, Professor Momodu, to instruct collation officers to upload results from the polling units to the INEC server to avert those results being compromised by a few governors of the ruling party who were shopping around feverishly for numbers to make up for their shortfalls. As the APC has not been able to meet the required 25% threshold and demand that INEC should not cave in to the pressures and desperation of the APC to back itself in this regard. Similarly, we have it on good grounds that the APC is currently making attempts to show off some votes from Lagos. In fact, we just received a video that shows this very clearly. We urge the Independent National Electoral Commission to resist this pressure being mounted on them, especially in Lagos Central Senatorial District, where the People's Democratic Party is in clear lead. We further urge the Electoral Commission to put substantial surveillance on Lagos State. The APC is doing all within its means to cheat in Lagos. Because without Lagos, there is no pathway whatsoever for this. Is that APC has managed to control the Southwest, but they've been fatally wounded in Lagos by the Labour Party, fatally wounded, because they needed to win a huge margin in Lagos. That is now impossible. They have also been injured in Kano